Moving to a new Samsung phone always brings the fear of losing old data, photos, and especially WhatsApp chats. Don't worry, because Samsung's Smart Switch technology completely eliminates this nightmare. In this comprehensive guide, I will explain step by step how to transfer all your data completely, quickly, and securely without any loss. Before initiating the transfer, there is a very critical preparation step we must perform. Ensure that both phones have a battery level of at least 80%, or keep them plugged into chargers. Additionally, to prevent any disconnection or error during transmission, update the Smart Switch application to the latest version on both devices. Smart Switch offers two distinct connection options: wireless or wired transfer methods. While the wireless method is highly practical, you should definitely choose a wired connection if you have massive amounts of data. Specifically, if you are migrating from iPhone to Samsung and want your WhatsApp history, using a cable is mandatory. If all preparations are complete, open the Smart Switch app on both phones. On your old device, select Send Data, and on your new Samsung Galaxy phone, select Receive Data. Grant all requested system permissions completely so that no background data is blocked during this seamless, fast, and highly secure transmission process. Once the connection is established, your new Samsung smartphone will begin scanning all data on the old device. Your contacts, photos, messages, apps, and settings will be listed on screen. You can select everything at once or choose specific categories to shorten the transfer duration and eliminate unnecessary clutter. Now let's address the most anticipated topic: transferring your WhatsApp conversations. When migrating from an iPhone, after connecting the cable, you must scan the QR code on the screen using your iPhone's camera. For Android to Android migration, you can seamlessly use WhatsApp's native transfer tool or Google Drive backup features instead. Rest assured regarding security because Smart Switch utilizes high-level encryption protocols. All transferred data moves locally between devices and is never uploaded to third-party cloud servers where it could be intercepted. Your private photos, confidential notes, and sensitive documents are safely and directly moved over a fully protected connection. Once the transfer begins, leave the phones alone and never disconnect the cable or Wi-Fi. When the progress bar on the screen reaches 100%, the process is not fully completed yet. Your new Samsung phone will continue organizing incoming files and installing apps in the background. Give it time. When the transfer is completely finished, you will find a wonderful surprise on your new phone screen. Your old home screen layout, wallpaper, and even set alarms will be replicated exactly on the new device. For security reasons, you only need to manually re-enter your passwords for banking and email apps. As the final step, let's complete the WhatsApp setup. Open WhatsApp on your new Galaxy phone and log in using the exact same phone number from before. After completing the SMS verification, the system automatically detects the transferred chat history, loading all messages and media flawlessly onto your new screen. As you can see, stepping into a new Galaxy world with Samsung Smart Switch is incredibly easy and effortless. Your data is secure, your messages are complete, and your new phone is ready. If you get stuck on any step during transfer, let's meet in the comments. See you next time.